Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make marshmallow lollipops. First, gather all your essential ingredients and tools. You will need large, fluffy marshmallows, sturdy lollipop sticks, and about 12 ounces of your favorite melting chocolate. Also, prepare your decorating station with parchment paper and choose your fun sprinkles or edible glitter. This initial setup ensures a smooth and enjoyable lollipop making experience from start to finish. Next, it's time to melt your chocolate. Place about 12 ounces of melting chocolate in a microwave-safe bowl and heat it in 30-second intervals, stirring well after each, until it's perfectly smooth. Then, carefully insert a lollipop stick into the center of each large marshmallow, pushing it about halfway through. Dip each marshmallow into the warm, melted chocolate, ensuring a complete and even coating for a delicious base. Now for the fun part, decorating. As soon as you dip a marshmallow, immediately sprinkle your chosen decorations onto the wet chocolate. You can use colorful sprinkles, edible glitter, or even finely crushed cookies for extra crunch. Be creative and make each lollipop unique. Once decorated, place them upright in a foam block or lay them gently on parchment paper to allow the chocolate to set properly. Finally, let your beautiful marshmallow lollipops set. You can leave them at room temperature for about 30 minutes, or if you are in a hurry, pop them into the refrigerator for approximately 15 minutes until the chocolate is firm. Once fully set, your delightful treats are ready to be enjoyed. They make wonderful party favors or a sweet snack. Store any leftovers in an airtight container for up to 1 week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.